It's a bit of a slow week, but hey everybody, Scott out in Lakewood. So the heating guys are in here right now. We got the furnace in, and here's the venting. So everybody remembers back in the day, we used to have big pipes that vented everything out. Now it's all very high efficient. You can just use regular plastic piping, not regular, but a PVC piping. And they've got this in. These are the plenums that I've talked about lots in the past. They'll run down in this furnace room and through our storage room. And then we've got to drop all of our ceilings outside in the main area, like in the actual great room area. And so they've been working in here a couple of days. I've got the framers are coming back. What we do is we just leave the walls out where they're going to run all their plenums, because we have to cut a bunch of stuff anyways. So once they're done, then we can build the walls to height so that we're not building them full height, having them cut them all out to put their plenums in, and then rebuilding them. So we do it just once. So anyways, here's I wanted to show you guys the panel. This hasn't been tied in. None of this has been tied in, but I like everything super neat. So when we're done, I'll show you guys what it looks like in the end. We got Ken back doing some more electrical in the basement. We had to make a change here for our plumbing. As I've said before, you can't have the water lines in the exterior wall. So we brought it onto this interior, and here's where our sink's gonna go, which we've moved. So I see Ken's got a plug here. We're gonna have to get that moved. Now I'll show you a couple things down here. So when you're framing and you have to have your plumbing go in a wall, a 2x4 wall isn't wide enough to house the pipe. So we have to double that up or use 2x6, depending on what works best. So as you can see here, we use 2x4, and what Chester does is he just nails plywood to hold those 2x4s together, because what happens is they separate. One might warp the other one way or the other way, and it holds them as a unit. So I've spoken about wood rubbing together and how it goes ee. We don't want that. Come on down here and I'll show you what we got. I think we can get through this wall. Inside here, we just had our gas lines done, and so we've kept everything in the joists as best we could, but we do have on this beam, we had to put the line on. It's running out to a barbecue, and it's running back to a fireplace. So now what we have to do is we just have to strap that out so that the drywaller can actually just drywall right over top. And we have to strap this out as well so that it doesn't look like, it looks like it's all one piece. So anyways, so that's all we got going on today. And we've got a builders meeting today with the developer to talk about a bunch of things. So anyways, I'll let you know how that all works. Thank you.